The Apple launch event of 2021 is pretty near. Yes, it's said that Apple is going to launch their new devices in the month of June, which is like 1 month from now. And there are side-by-side rumors that Apple is going to launch it in this month, that's April. But as of now, we don't have any official confirmation. So in this video, we'll be discussing about all of the stuff that we know until today about the upcoming new generation iMac as well as the MacBook Pro, MacBook Air and the all new Apple M1X silicon chip. Hey guys, all about technology 24/7 here. If you like what you're watching, I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that you receive all the latest updates from my channel. Also like this video if you did. Let's now get started. So let me start off with the iMac 2021. Yes, finally in the year 2021, Apple is redesigning their iMac, and yes, it's been like over a decade now Apple has not done any redesign for their iMacs, but in 2021 Apple is doing that, and this redesign is pretty amazing because it's going to make their iMac lightweight. Also, the design itself is going to change. The borders will be pretty low, I mean the bezels, like it should be pretty minimal. Also talking about the display and stuff, there will be new quality displays, new technologies adopted for the display as well, and Apple is bumping up their display size on the iMac. Yes, we had already spoken about this in the previous video, you can check that out. And talking about the colors, we have a bunch of color options that are coming their way this time in 2021. So talking about the iMac pricing, as of now we don't have any official confirmation yet about the pricing, but it's rumored that the base variant will be priced at $1,200, whereas the higher end variant that comes with a larger display will be priced somewhere around $1,800. But yes, no any official confirmation on that. The chip that will be used here is going to have 12 CPU cores and 16 GPU cores. 12 CPU cores where 8 CPU cores are dedicated towards performance, whereas the 4 cores will be energy efficient cores here. Obviously with the Apple M1 we have already seen how efficient and how powerful this chip is, and the upgraded version of this will literally destroy all the Intel based previous generation iMacs, that's for sure. And the GPU here is said to be equivalent with that of AMD Radeon RX 5500 XT. Yes, it's going to be pretty much similar to that in terms of performance as per leaks again. We must wait and see regarding that. Definitely the GPU will be pretty much amazing considering the GPU on the M1, it's an upgrade over that. So this is regarding the Apple M1 chip, and we are not 100% sure as of now whether Apple will bring like much more beefier variant of M1X to their iMac when compared to the Apple MacBook Pros of 2021, or Apple is going to use same chipset across all of their devices like iMac and MacBooks. So not really sure as of now, but definitely the M1X should be an amazing chip. So talking about the MacBooks of 2021, we have already seen this. I mean, the MacBook 2021 leaks suggest that it's going to come with a mini LED display, and overall design changes, overall design will be pretty much improved than the previous generation. But one important thing I would love to see on the Apple M1 based laptops and also the iMac is the upgradability, because M1 didn't had that option, like you couldn't upgrade your RAM, you couldn't upgrade your storage or anything like that. You just couldn't connect an external GPU to your system. That really bugged a lot of people, and considering the price what you're paying to buy these devices, upgradability should be an option, at least as per me. But yes, that was not the case with the M1 chip. I hope Apple fixes that. At least Apple gives us an option to upgrade the storage over time. That would be really helpful. So let's wait and see what Apple does with their upcoming M1X. So what do you guys think about this new Apple M1X and the iMac and MacBooks? Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So this was a quick little video talking about the upcoming Apple devices of 2021. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also do follow me on Instagram, link is in the description or it's appearing somewhere on the display. This is all about technology 24/7. Signing off for the moment. You guys have a great day. Peace.